Hi everyone, so today in this video we are going to learn about synthetic fibers and plastics. So the clothes which we are going to wear, so fabrics are made from what? Fibers, and these fibers are obtained naturally and artificially. And the fibers are also used to make some household articles. Let us make some or differentiate between the articles or which are natural and artificial in our houses or whatever we find. Let us say the cotton. So cotton, it is a natural fiber. It is obtained naturally. Wool, and this is also a natural fiber. It is obtained from animal. The sheep. Okay. Next, we are having rayon. So it is also artificial fiber, and silk. So silk is a natural fiber. Then you are having nylon. So nylon is also a artificial fiber. So these are the some basic things which we all know it. So and we can differentiate them as natural and artificial fibers. So they asked you, why did you label some fibers as artificial? Why we said for some fibers like rayon, nylon, they are artificial? Because they are made by man. Okay. So that's the reason why they are called as artificial fibers. Let us see further. So in your previous classes you have learned some natural fibers like cotton, wool, silk, etc. So here cotton is obtained from a plant, right? Cotton. And wool is obtained from a sheep, that is nothing but animal. Silk is obtained from, in your previous classes you have learned about the production of silk. Okay. So how silk is produced? By silk moth or silkworm, right? So these are natural fibers and these are obtained from plants and the animals. So coming to the synthetic fibers, they are made by human beings. So human beings are involved in preparation of this or producing these synthetic fibers. Okay. So that is the reason why these are called as synthetic or man-made fibers, or they are called as what? Artificial fibers, we can say. Okay. So artificial fibers or the synthetic fibers or man-made fibers are nothing but the fibers which are made by human beings. Those fibers are called as what? Synthetic fibers. So next we are going to see what are exactly synthetic fibers. Okay. So you all know that necklace here. Okay. And it is paper clips are joined together here. Paper clips are joined, and here beads are, these are called as what? Beads, right? So beads are joined together to form a chain of necklace, and these paper clips are joined to form a long chain. Okay. In the same manner, fibers are joined together with some chemicals. Okay. By using some chemical substances, how these artificial fibers or the synthetic fibers are made means they are going to use some chemicals, and that chemicals are joined together to form a fiber. Okay. And we are going to call that as the polymer. So many such small units combine to form a large single unit called as polymer. So here what happened? Beads are joined together to form a necklace, right? Beads are joined together to form necklace. Paper clips are joined to form a long chain of paper clips, right? So in the same way, to form a synthetic fiber, we require some chemical substances, and those chemical substances are joined together, and that small unit we are going to call it as what? Polymer. Okay. And this polymer, it is a Greek word, that means poly is nothing but many, mer means a part or a unit. So polymer is nothing but many repeating units. Got it? So next, polymers occur in nature also. They are saying that naturally a polymer is going to occur. If you take cotton, cotton is a polymer called cellulose. So let us say this is cellulose, and cellulose is joined together to form a polymer of cotton. Okay. And the cellulose is made up of a large number of glucose units. The glucose units make cellulose, and this cellulose is nothing but a polymer, forms the cotton. Okay. So next, coming to the types of synthetic fibers, we are going to see. So first we are going to see rayon. So there are many number of synthetic fibers. Let us see one by one here. So in your previous class you have learnt about silk fiber, right? And this silk is obtained from silkworm or silk moth. Okay. Actually this silk was first discovered in China. The China didn't declare how it is produced or how it is manufactured. They kept it as secret for many years. So you all know that silk is a very costly material. So because of this reason, so man had made a thought of making the silk artificially, and in the 19th century the scientists were very successful in the obtaining a fiber having the similar properties of that silk. That is nothing but soft, shiny. Okay. And this was obtained by the treatment of wood pulp with some chemicals. Okay. By using the wood pulp and by treating some with chemicals, they got the artificial silk, and it is also called as what, rayon, or the artificial silk. So actually the rayon is obtained from a natural source, that is nothing but what, wood pulp. Wood pulp is nothing but pulp which is obtained from the wood. Okay, we can say wood juice like thing. Okay, so it is natural thing, right? Wood pulp is a natural thing, but how can we say that it is artificial, right? By using the chemical treatment, man has made this. Okay, so that's the reason why we are going to call it as artificial silk. Okay, so that is the reason why it is said as man-made fiber, and it is very cheaper than the natural silk fiber, and it can be woven into silk fibers. Okay, and it is also dyed in many wide variety of colors, and it is mixed with cotton to make bed sheets or mixed with wool to make carpets. So this artificial silk is mixed with cotton to make the bed sheets, and the silk is mixed with the wool to make the carpets. So here they gave the bed sheets and the carpets. Okay. So next is nylon. So this is also a synthetic fiber, we can say, and it is also another fiber made from the man. Synthetic fibers itself says that they are made by the man. Okay. So in 1931, it was made without using natural raw material. That is nothing but, here coming to the rayon, we used wood pulp, right? And wood pulp is a product from the plant. Okay, it is somewhat a natural thing. We used a natural thing here. But in making nylon, we didn't use any natural product from the plant or the animal. Okay, we didn't use any raw material from the plant or the animal. Whatever we used is nothing but coal, water and air. By using these things, we get a thing called as what, nylon, and it was the first fully synthetic material. Completely the synthetic material first we got it in 1931, and it is called as what, nylon. Okay, and this nylon is very strong, elastic and light. Light is nothing but, it is lightweight, it is stronger than other fibers, and it is elastic in nature, and it was lustrous and easy to wash also. Lustrous is nothing but shinier. Okay, it is shiny and it is also easy to wash, so it is very popular for making clothes. Have you heard about nylon clothes? Okay, so the nylon clothes are made from the nylon only. So we, not only the clothes, there are many articles made from the nylon. That is nothing but socks, ropes, tents, toothbrushes. So toothbrushes which you are going to use in your daily life, those are made by what, nylon. And car seat belts, sleeping bags, curtains, etc., all these are made from the nylon. Okay, so these all are made from the nylon. And here they gave one point, that is nothing but, nylon fiber is really so strong that we can make nylon parachutes and ropes for rock climbing. So in some movies or somewhere you have seen that the rock climbing, there will be some rope like things, and people are going to climb the rocks by holding the rope like thing. Okay, those are made from the nylon. Okay, so here we can say that nylon ropes or the parachutes, they are made from nylon and they are so strong. Okay, so nylon is also used for making parachutes and ropes for rock climbing. So this is the image you can see here. So this is the nylon rope. Okay, and the parachute here, the rope like things which you are going to see, that is nothing but nylon. So those are so strong from the usual ropes. Okay, and it is very stronger than the steel wire. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. For more videos, please subscribe the channel.